Today I'm going to walk you through the online eTIMS registration process step by step. This is a system used by the Kenya Revenue Authority for the electronic tax invoicing and compliance. So eTIMS comes in different types depending on the nature of your business. But for most small businesses and consultants, there are only two main systems that you really need to understand. So if you're offering services only, like the consulting, freelancing, or any business without stock, you will use online eTIMS. If you are a trader, that is, you're dealing with goods and inventory, like a shop or a retailer, you will use eTIMS client. So let's go step by step through the online eTIMS registration. That is what I will start with today. The next time I will show you how to use the eTIMS client. So you can register for eTIMS using different methods. So you can either use the eCitizen portal or the official KRA eTIMS website. In this video, I will show you how to register for a company eTIMS account using the KRA website method on your laptop. To begin with, you will go to etims.kra.go.ke. Then since I mentioned we are registering for a company, I'll show you how to register for your personal eTIMS later. You will get a login prompt. Since this is a new account you're creating, you click at sign up and then click on PIN. You will then be taken to a form that you need to fill in. So in my case, I'm registering a company as I said, so I will enter the company KRA PIN number. So if you are registering for yourself, enter the company KRA PIN number here and then you click on verify. So the system will automatically pull the company's details, including the registration name or the registered name, mobile number, and the email address, all of them that are linked to the KRA PIN number. Then next, you'll be required to create a password and then you confirm it. Make sure you note it down so you don't forget it. After that, click on said OTP. This is a verification code that will be sent to your registered mobile number. Then the code you enter that OTP code on this space provided and then tick the agreement box and then click on sign up. Now here is the practical part of the form already filled in. So I've begun the process I've shown you above or earlier. You go through it and then you get something like this. So have a look at it. After completing the sign up, you'll get a notification asking if you want to proceed with sign up. Then you will click yes. You will then get another notification confirming that the sign up is complete. Then click yes. So after that, you will be directed to this dashboard. Before we continue, now you need to log out first as shown in this process. Now you log in back using the KRA, the company KRA PIN number as your username and the password that you just created. Then we need to complete the eTIMS account setup. We have signed up, but we have to set it up ready for invoicing. So once you are in the dashboard, you'll go to service request as shown there. Then click on eTIMS. Your company taxpayer information will be automatically filled in. So what we need to do next is update the directors or the owner's details. So go to the details of the owner and enter the owner's personal KRA PIN number and then click on verify. The phone contact will be automatically filled in. That is the owner's contact details. And then click on Send OTP for verification. So enter the code that will be sent on your phone on the space provided. Now, for eTIMS type, you need to select. So in our case, we select online because we are dealing with online eTIMS. If it was a different case, we could have selected a different one. There are 4 options in that case. Then since we are registering as services only business, that is why we are using the online. Then tick all the 3 check boxes shown and finally click on Send. You will receive an SMS notification confirming that your eTIMS has been successfully activated. This brings us to the end of the first step of eTIMS registration. So just to emphasize, this process is mainly for service providers only, such as consultants, freelancers, and businesses that do not deal with physical stock or inventory. So if you are a trader dealing with goods, your process will be different from using the eTIMS online. You will be using the eTIMS client system. In the next video, I will show you how to complete your online eTIMS account setup for invoicing purposes, and then I will break down the key terms that you will find or you will see on your dashboard so that you can use the system with ease. So don't miss the next video. Make sure that you subscribe and turn on the notifications so you are alerted immediately when it is uploaded. See you in the next one.